Welcome to our guide on detox-friendly recipes that will help you feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to achieve your health goals. Detoxing doesn't mean deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with clean, wholesome foods that support its natural detoxification processes. Start your day with a green smoothie made from spinach, kale, cucumber, lemon, and a splash of coconut water for hydration and nutrients. Overnight chia pudding with almond milk, a touch of honey, and fresh berries is a simple, fiber-rich detox breakfast. Create a detox-friendly salad with a base of leafy greens, shredded carrots, avocado, and a zesty lemon ginger dressing. Roasted root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and beets make a perfect detox-friendly side dish loaded with antioxidants. Try a refreshing detox soup made with celery, zucchini, garlic, ginger, and herbs like parsley and cilantro. Include plenty of cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, which support liver detoxification. Make a hydrating cucumber and mint-infused water to sip throughout the day and flush out toxins. Whip up a quinoa and veggie bowl with steamed broccoli, roasted sweet potatoes, and a tahini drizzle for a detoxifying lunch. Detox-friendly snacks like raw veggie sticks with hummus or guacamole are easy to prepare and satisfying. Start incorporating fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut into your meals for gut health and improved digestion. A warm cup of turmeric ginger tea is not only soothing but also supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. Swap out refined grains for detox-friendly alternatives like quinoa, millet, or buckwheat to improve digestion and energy levels. Incorporate citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, into your snacks or salads for a dose of vitamin C to boost detoxification. Prepare a warming detox stew with lentils, carrots, celery, and turmeric for a comforting, nutrient-packed dinner. Detox-friendly energy balls made with dates, almonds, coconut, and cacao nibs are perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Include plenty of leafy greens in your meals, as they're rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse the body of heavy metals. Prepare a refreshing tropical smoothie with pineapple, mango, coconut water, and a handful of spinach for an energizing treat. Herbal teas like dandelion root, nettle, or chamomile support liver health and provide gentle detox benefits. Snack on fresh fruits like apples, pears, or berries, which are high in fiber and promote healthy digestion. Create a light detox stir-fry using tofu or tempeh, colorful vegetables, and a tamari and ginger sauce. A creamy avocado and cucumber soup is a cooling, detox-friendly meal that's perfect for warmer days. Add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds to your meals for extra fiber to aid in eliminating toxins. Replace sugary desserts with naturally sweetened options, like baked apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Prepare a hydrating watermelon and mint salad for a refreshing, detox-friendly side dish. Consider making a detox-friendly green juice with celery, cucumber, lemon, ginger, and a green apple for natural sweetness. Add spirulina or chlorella powder to smoothies or juices for a powerful detox boost packed with nutrients. Use fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, and basil liberally in your meals. They're known for their natural cleansing properties. A simple roasted asparagus dish with lemon and olive oil is a flavorful and detoxifying side dish. Create a hearty veggie-packed frittata with spinach, zucchini, tomatoes, and onions for a nutritious detox breakfast. Snack on roasted chickpeas seasoned with turmeric and paprika for a crunchy, detox-friendly option. Prepare detox-friendly stuffed bell peppers with quinoa, black beans, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. A berry and spinach smoothie bowl topped with chia seeds and coconut flakes is both detoxifying and delicious. Experiment with detox-friendly desserts, like avocado chocolate mousse sweetened with dates or maple syrup. Stay hydrated with homemade herbal detox broths made with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a dash of seaweed for added minerals. Incorporate ginger and garlic into your recipes, as both are known for their detoxifying and anti-inflammatory properties. Prepare a zucchini noodle dish with a creamy cashew sauce and fresh basil for a light, satisfying meal. A simple miso soup with tofu, seaweed, and green onions makes for a nourishing detox-friendly dish. Make a detoxifying beet and orange salad with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar and a sprinkle of walnuts for crunch. Replace store-bought dressings with homemade options like olive oil, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard for a cleaner choice. Include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds to support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins during your detox. Sip on hot water with lemon in the morning to kickstart digestion and flush out toxins. Make detox-friendly spring rolls with rice paper, fresh veggies, and a tangy dipping sauce made from lime juice and almond butter. Prepare a cooling cucumber and avocado salad with a sprinkle of hemp seeds for added nutrients and detox support. Swap sugary granola bars with homemade options using oats, almond butter, honey, and dried fruits. A grilled portobello mushroom stuffed with spinach and garlic is a filling, detox-friendly dinner idea. A warm quinoa porridge with almond milk, cinnamon, and a handful of berries is a nourishing detox breakfast option. Prepare a cooling coconut milk and lime soup with lemongrass and mushrooms for a detox meal with a tropical twist. Focus on fresh, whole ingredients, staying mindful of avoiding processed foods to fully support your detox journey. End your day with a calming peppermint tea to soothe digestion and help your body unwind as it continues its natural detox process.